Hola, bon dia.
So this week, things didn't quite go to plan. Grant started off doing drywall, but he ran into a slight problem.
I did. I noticed once I moved all the furniture away from the wall, I noticed that we started getting some moisture through the wall, which we knew we were getting anyway. That's why we graded last year um, along the south wall to try to keep most of the moisture away. And it basically worked for the most part because it was way worse before. So now I'm digging a French drain.
So yeah, switching gears, going from drywall to drainage.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that.
This is the south-facing exterior wall. Of course, on the inside, I'm just scraping off the old lime wash on it. It doesn't have to be perfect because these walls are going to be the ones that the plasterboard is going over, the insulated plasterboard. So I'm just going to scrape as much as I can off. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to leave the bottom for Christina because she's lower to the ground. And here's the perfect example why it needs to be scraped off. Some of it's stuck on really well, so the glue for the drywall wouldn't be a problem. But then you get spots like this where it just falls off. Now if you're going to stick glue to that in drywall, the weight could just pull it off. So that's why it has to be done.
While I'm here, I thought I would check out Grant's progress with the drywall. So the master bedroom is now finished, as well as the peak of the wall up to the roof on the north side of the house. And just as a reminder, that is what it looked like before. So there's your before. And after. Obviously still needs taping and mudding and painting, but already looks a million times better than what it did to start with.
For the French drain along the south wall, I've dug down to the rubble foundation, just not below it, but almost below it. You don't want to go below it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pressure wash the wall to get all the dirt off. So when I apply the waterproof paint or rubber sealer that we're getting, it'll stick a little better. And then of course it'll be gravel, and then the pipe will go just below that, and then of course fabric and more gravel on top all along this wall. So that's pretty much done except for the pressure washing. There we go. That's pretty much done for now. Let the wall dry for a few days. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I may do some patching here with some parging, just where there isn't any on the tijolos. We can see Christina's paint job held up really well, even against the pressure washer. Didn't peel off anywhere. I'm going to go have a cocktail. Went and got some Agua Stop waterproof paint to paint on the side of the house. Down here, all the way along, to give it a little waterproof coating before I stick some plastic to it and then put in the French drain. So this should be fun, painting in a hole. So you pretty much get the idea. Just going to paint the bottom of the wall. And I'm going to probably use the roller on the upper because it'll probably be a little easier. And possibly a second coat. We'll see. One of my other jobs today, before it gets way too hot, is removing this stump. For the most part, I've already started. And of course I caught crap for not filming it because I just tend to start doing stuff and forget to set the camera up. So now I'm going to set the camera up. So I'm adding a little concrete to the foundation just to keep it in place. I mean, it's not a load-bearing wall, so I'm not really that worried about it. And it doesn't have to be perfect because the perfectionist isn't here. She can perfect it when she finishes the outside, when she does that to it. Here's the general idea for the rock garden. So it's going to be a wall all around it. All the way down there, I'm going to fill it with rocks, obviously. And then we'll make it the same as the wall that Christina made last year over there. So there'll be a path down the middle. And then I won't have to cut the weeds in here. Yay! Am I going?
You're going.
Oh.
We just discussed this. You said yes.
Shh, quiet. So we picked up the tubing for the French drain, which I'll be doing next week. So don't forget to give our video a like, share it with your friends, leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you guys, and it helps our channel grow.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Take care, and we'll see you next week.
Okay, bye.